You're watching How Leap. Let's fix the black and white notifications on your iPhone after the iOS 26 update. First, swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Find the perceptual brightness icon, which looks like a half sun inside an eye. If you do not see it, swipe left to access more controls, or press and hold the brightness slider to reveal it. Tap this perceptual brightness icon to turn it off. Its color should change from a solid to an outline. This feature, designed to reduce eye strain, sometimes makes notifications appear in grayscale. If notifications are still not in color, go to your iPhone's settings app, tap Accessibility, then select Display and Text Size. Scroll down and ensure Smart Invert and Classic Invert are both switched off. Then in the same menu, find Color Filters and make sure that Toggle is also turned off. If the issue persists, a simple restart of your iPhone can refresh the system and restore color. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.